Good morning. Hey.
Thanks for coming out.
Yeah, everything else is private.
It's a whole dollar.
Good morning. Hi, honey. What you doing? Hey, that looks good on you. It's a robe. I wear it to church. And I love my little robes. I've got a whole bunch of robes. I have a whole bunch of. What are you up to? Anything? Oh, big selling good. Oh. Do I need to tell them? That's cute.
I might need this when I go outside.
Oh, excuse me. Tom,
Hey! Guys.
miss you too. I miss everyone. Oh, you totally need that hat, Tom.
No, that's you. Got a little.
Oh my gosh.
You got any questions? Holler out.
Okay.
Everything's negotiable.
Okay. Awesome.
Let's go. Hey! How you doing? I was gonna work.
Excuse me.
You ever been there?
But it's okay.
And I went through the purses.
Okay.
And now I'm going through this table. Okay. Yeah, I haven't been over there.
But all I know is I've had it for probably 15 years.
You sure? You nothing else? A little bit. Yeah.
I need a hold station.
Look.
Yes.
KitchenAid.
On all of that.
You want all
How
of
much
this?
is it?
Well, that one has $1 on it. This one has $2 on it.
Okay. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. I wonder if they have a hold station.
I don't know.
What is this? This is Tupperware. Is this Tupperware? This is Tupperware. Is this Tupperware? This is Tupperware. Well, thank you very much.
What'd you find? What's that?
Tupperware. I'll ask Tom. Tom, is there a place I can make a pile?
Yes.
Thank you.
Hey! Happened, sir? I checked your hand, but my hand's a little full. Here. Let's find a spot. You know what? Let me get you a box. And then
Okay.
We can put it back. That'd be cool.
That'd be cool. Thank you.
You got an armload of stuff there.
Yeah, I do.
Good stuff.
Yeah, I do.
There wasn't much in the electronics or the tools. Looks like they've been picked over pretty hard already.
Probably. I haven't been to the back rooms yet.
It says mostly furniture.
Oh, then I don't care. Or that
But
front
that's what it
section up
says.
there.
Yeah, I haven't been up there either.
Or,
Oh, here he's got one.
yay! I need Tom to take care of me. And I haven't looked at any of the shoes yet. Thank you, Tom.
All right, we can
Go
write
ahead.
your name on it. Let me get a marker.
That's Patagonia.
Oh, dang.
That's Carhartt. But I had a question on this one. Okay, look.
What?
Right? But it's in the material, but there's no... I can't
probably
find
fake.
a tag. Do you think it's fake?
I've never seen a Carhartt like that.
Right?
Yeah, oh wait, here you go. I'm gonna say that's fake, but I don't know that
Okay.
for a fact.
So...
Archer? Red shoe.
Bella, is it just me and your mom out there? Yeah. Just stranded them? Well, she made my mom made me leave, and then she made me leave.
I was like, oh, see what they have. And she goes, go.
I don't know. Maybe only one got donated. Or someone accidentally brought home one red shoe. I give you 50 cents. You know, 50 cents for one shoe. Oh, I'm sorry, I don't know. Good luck.
Excuse me.
If you want to ask the guys up front, they'd be able to help you with that. Yes, ma'am. See the gentleman here, blue shirt there, the red shirt there, the cashier there. He's over there. I don't want to go back in there because there's already been in there. I will be They're probably just.
I don't think so.
Okay, I'm gonna go through that part. Excuse me. Excuse me. Sorry. Excuse me.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good.
It's you.
Got a name on it? What's that say?
I don't know.
Reveal? Can't read where it's made. Oh, that one's broke.
Oh, he is. He's broken.
It says $5 for the set.
Never mind, he's broken.
Nope.
It wasn't me. I need a bag.
Did that the first time. What do you think?
Can I get a bag?
You want the little one or big one? 10, 15.
We'll start with the little one and see if we can make that work.
There you go.
I'm not done yet. We'll see.
Get it open. It's like at the grocery store.
Right? You can stand there all day in the
I know.
produce trying to get those things
And
open.
then the little clerk just walks up and goes,
I know.
they must have special training.
They have to.
That's
They
what
have
I said.
special static in their hands.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Oh, I forgot I had the bowl.
Put stuff in the bowl.
Okay. See what else I
We
find.
fill the bowl up.
Thank you.
All right.
I saw what you had already. Will it fit in there?
Yeah, we'll make him fit. He said just make it fit. Dude, that's sticky. Oh, you got another one?
I don't know about those, but if they don't fit, don't worry about it.
I got some refrigerator filters, but they fit. If they don't fit, we can take them out.
What do you mean? Oh, for...
They're new in box. I got 3 of them.
Oh, okay.
Oh, no.
Can you take that?
If you want to. There's some stuff in there. But he told me I could stuff it.
And you did. Hey.
Oh
little
my
dirty,
goodness,
but-
dirty. Cutie.
Has a big old...
Oh, missed it.
It's a different one than the 2 we have already.
I'm like, although we have.
We have 2 that aren't selling.
Yeah.
So.
You want another tri-bond?
No, got one, thanks. Is it hard to leave that one behind?
Yeah, a little bit, but then I look inside and I'm like, yeah, that was kind of.
Wait, what is that?
It's Marvel.
Spider-Man.
14 plus.
See if it's all there. I missed that on my way through the first time.
How'd you miss that? We may need it.
Oh my
Oh,
gosh,
it's all there, I would guess.
Well,
The cards are still sealed.
there's some stuff punched out over there, but
Yeah,
is that
but they
a
just fell
couple?
out, yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we're good.
We may need a bigger bag. The
Or
big
another
bag is
bag.
15. The small bag is 10.
Oh,
Oh, it's a
that's
puzzle. Oh, fake Lincoln Logs.
Fake Lincoln Logs.
You want another Wii board?
No, a Wii Fit board? No.
Do you look through all the books?
What I could, yes.
Yeah, it's kind of,
Destroyed. Now, some of those, I did look at some of those they had. Yeah, like diet books and stuff like that in it. Well, that just has scratches. I'll have an extra.
Don't have an extra.
For you here.
Okay, thank you.
Awesome.
Hello. This came.
These are nice people. Don't charge them the extra 10%.
$375.
Don't charge them the extra 10%.
Hey, government, I can't do the government deal on them. It's 5. That's just, what, small bag.
Yeah, that's a small bag. So it's 10.
All right, 15.
And then she's got all kinds of clothes.
Yeah.
There's a mixer down there in the bottom, and
How much is it?
I think it had. There's $1 on that, and then the mixer's over here. It had $2 on it.
Yeah,
So that's what?
15,
15.
17, 18, and all the clothes.
And a
Oh,
bag
and I got a bag of Tupperware.
How about 30?
That works. Thank you.
How can I save you money if you don't come
Do you need something?
No, I got it. Thank
All
you.
right, you have a good day.
You too.
I wasn't going to charge you that though, because you need time.
Well, thanks for taking pity on us.
Here, I'll give you $20 back.
Okay, so today it was raining, and we went to this garage sale first off the bat. That was at a church. We go to this sale every single year, and we just filled a box and paid $30 for it. We're not exactly sure what all we ended up with.
To clarify, this is mostly her. Because I dropped her off as close to the door as I could get because it was pouring down rain. And,
it was storming.
And I went back out to the parking lot. I mean, it was literally raining so hard I couldn't see the car next to me hardly. So I chilled out for somewhere between 5 and 10 minutes waiting for the rain to slow down. So I don't know what she did. By the time I got in there, she already had an armload. So
I don't know what I did either.
We'll find out, I guess. So
like, it's a big old box. It's a Lowe's large box, like one of those that you buy at Lowe's that says large.
Yeah,
that's.
We
what
knew
this
a guy
box
there
is.
and said, "Hey Tom, hook us up." He goes, "Hang on, let me get you a box." So he got a box and we threw it all in there, and then went back through again. So
we found it a goal to fill the box, I guess.
Yeah, and then they charged us $30 for the whole box.
Yeah.
So
let's see what we got.
Well, this bag was $10.
Well, supposedly.
Yeah, supposedly.
So we got a Pampered Chef cheese grater in box. It's new.
She got a Pampered Chef Easy Accent Decorator.
It's not new.
It's not new, but it's got the directions and all the tips and everything. So we'll see.
I got this Tupperware bowl. It's a lettuce keeper. We've sold these before. The piece is in it.
We got a Scentsy. Scentsys usually do pretty good for us, so.
I got 3 filters, new in box, refrigerator filters. I got 3 of them. I don't know. We usually do well with refrigerator filters.
Yeah. Places that are gonna do like big bundles like this for you and charge you not very much is a place to try some stuff.
Yeah.
I picked up some coasters. They're Jason. It's a 5 set of coasters. It's about the warehouse in the White House in 1914. No idea, but I got them. They said they're made in New Zealand, so I thought that was kind of cool.
That's cool. Let me see them. I didn't get to see them.
Oh, they're actually there's more than 5 in here.
Oh, that's cool.
See? They all look the same. There's 6 in there actually.
Cool.
So, like I said, I don't know. We'll try them. If I can get them cheap enough, I'll try anything because you never know.
Yeah.
If not, it may go in the donation box. But anyway,
We got 2 wall Scentsys. We like Scentsys. They do well for the most part.
oh, you didn't give them their hangers. This is something she did very good on.
Yeah, I did.
Although it is the common thread.
That's okay.
It's a Patagonia
Gucci.
women's jacket. Coat, I guess you call it.
It'll go in the winter.
It'll go in the winter stuff, unfortunately for now. Excuse me.
Oh, these are weatherproof. I got a pair of weatherproof pants. So, they're like cargo pants. They look really good condition.
She got a pair of Levi's. Levi's always do pretty good for us. Not as good as they used to. The market's been a little flooded.
Oh, I got a pair of Puma pants.
Oh, nice.
Right?
Like some golf pants.
Yeah, they look like golf pants. They're great shape.
This is some Patagucci
Yeah, I did.
shorts.
I forgot about
Some
those.
Patagonia shorts. Oh, there's a chunk missing out of them.
No, where? No.
What size are they? Can I wear them? I might be able to wear them around the house. They're large.
Oh.
Yeah,
So sad.
Because there's a chunk missing out of them. So I'll probably wear those around the house. Go ahead.
I got 2 Mickey Mouse t-shirts. My hope is to bundle them together, actually.
Here is a Free Planet hoodie. Not bad.
Not bad.
Not bad. Kind of a mustard color.
This is just a plain Hurley t-shirt. So we do well with her.
A long sleeve Ralph Lauren polo.
These are Urban Pipeline shorts, cargo shorts. We like Urban Pipeline.
Yeah,
And everything smells really good.
Yeah, it does. They probably made them wash it before they brought it.
And it's a 36, so that's a good size.
What do we got here?
They were,
I don't know if they're actually military issue, but some UA digital, and they're double kneed.
and they're reinforced everywhere.
Yeah, so those might actually be military issue. They're button fly. Cool.
Right?
Yeah, cargos, pockets all over them. Nice.
I got another pair of Levi's. I got a whole bag of Tupperware. I don't even know what all's in here. Like there's a bunch of these little bowl
Leftover
things
bowls.
and a bunch of stuff.
If she can get it cheap, a lot of times she'll buy it because we've got back stock of Tupperware, and she'll sit down and go through, and she may have picked up a bowl here and a lid there, and that they'll go together, and you know what I'm saying? That's a match. It's a patty maker.
And I found that these little bowls, these little Tupperware bowls,
Yeah.
go really, really well.
Yeah, you stack them, you put them together in sets and sell them.
People
yeah.
like them for like baby food
Leftovers
and kid
and baby
snacks
food,
and
yeah.
stuff like that. So, yeah, whole bag of it, guys.
So other than the big Scentsy, this one right here, the big Scentsy, and the coasters, all the clothing and everything else is Brandy's. I did
Yeah.
find this.
Yeah, this mix is really good though,
So
and it's all part of the $30.
yeah, we got all this for $30. So I got, oh good lord, it's heavy. A KitchenAid food processor. I don't know if it works, but it doesn't matter.
No, it doesn't. You're gonna make more parties them out.
Yeah.
Um,
And then, of course, that's the top and the pusher to it. And then we also got this box. I don't know if this box is actually KitchenAid. I didn't actually see anywhere.
it looks like the KitchenAid blades.
Yeah, but it's all the blades to the KitchenAid in that I just showed you. So we can sell all the blades and probably pay for everything we got at the church sale. And
Yeah.
then we can sell
Yeah, that piece right there.
we can sell the bowl. There's another bowl inside here that I don't know exactly what that's for because I'm not a food processor
Just
guy.
for smaller.
But I mean,
And
all
this
of
will
these
sell.
pieces sell individually. So, you know,
Really well.
we paid $3 for the mixer and the box of blades.
Well, it's part of the $30.
Yeah, but I'm saying that they had
Yeah.
individual prices on them.
Yeah.
So, but the blades alone will probably sell for $25 to $30. Not to mention the bowls, the tub that it all goes in, the lid and the pusher will all sell separately. For,
Now the base part will probably trash.
the base part, unfortunately, will probably, but it's good to get it with the base because then you get the model number. Because
To
people
confirm.
want the model number so they know that this will match theirs that they have at their own.
Yeah.
Because a lot of times these are just plastic and they break. The bases seem to last forever,
Yeah.
but these seem to break and wear out. So just something to think about. So 22 pieces of clothing.
22. Well, counting this, that.
Oh, okay.
I counted that as 2.
Yeah, it's fine.
So 22 before the Tupperware, 23 if you count the Tupperware items for $30, and we're gonna
We'll
really
make the money back off of the food processor stuff alone.
right. We have Levi's in here. We
Patagonia.
have Patagucci in here. So, like, we have some great stuff in
Yeah.
here for $30.
Yeah, it's always a good sale.
Always a
Last
good sale.
year we showed up there late.
Yeah, like it was the end of their day.
It was the end of the day,
Yeah.
and we walked out with a box almost the same size full of stuff. Because last year it was getting hot, so we went there because Brandy doesn't like it.
Yeah, no.
So,
So
yeah,
we did well.
yeah, I think so.
Not bad at
I
all.
think so. I think we did good.
So thanks again for joining us. Don't forget to
Like, comment, and subscribe.
and have a blessed day. See you soon.